Hi everyone, my name is Laura. I live in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. Um, I've been here for about 5 years, but prior to that, I lived my whole life in Connecticut. I am a blended case manager for a nonprofit. I've been there for 3 years now, and I work with adults with co occurring disorders. And I have a caseload of about 35 people, and I'm still trying to adjust to more virtual sessions, which is, really challenging when we're supposed to be a community based program. When I'm not working, I spend a lot of my time with my daughter. She's going to be one next week. I also have two golden retrievers. One is a therapy dog, so when I can, I like to go and volunteer with him at children's hospitals, a homeless shelter, schools, or pretty much anyone that requests pet therapy. Maybe he'll even make an appearance on here if we all agree that pet therapy may be something that we're all in need of. As far as the class, I'm really excited for us to all share our experiences and learn from each other and learn with each other, and just to support each other through our anxieties and our concerns and our questions, and just to speak and collaborate with everyone.